Alright, troops is happening, Benny boy here. I've been on for a couple of days, couple of weeks, man. Just fucking getting on with life, man, innit? Like yourself, right, man, I'm too handsome with it, like, on it, so how's everybody? John, Abercrombie, Dava, all the troops, man. You Fiona and all, I don't tell this fucking techno shit doing this, no me, I'm in a bit of rap music. But anyway, man, I hope everybody's good. Yeah, we go. How do I turn this shit down, man? Right, so how's everybody been keeping an eye? I've not been home for a bit, man. Just like don't make videos for making videos just for the sake of it. Murray fella, shout to the Bulging as well. So fucking life's been getting a bit better. It's been getting a good bit better, to be fair. It's kind of what you make in it. I think if you want to do stuff, you've got to take action, haven't you? Up off your arse and do it. It's easy to say that, innit? It's easy saying that, but it's true, isn't it? Yeah, I still wear my tooth, man. Fuck it, man, comes to get tight about it, man. Oh, I did it, was stupid, man. So I go and make that meth queue and all that. I was like, I told you that, you're fucking sister or something, man, when she was banned, when she was blown it. I'm only kidding, I don't even talk that. Anyway, guys, man, this is just a wee quick one. The update, man, see, the Benny boy's still going strong, man. Fuck the coppers. Tweet.